Hey guys, I wasn't going to film this at first, but I have to. Second round coming through with Dave's Hot Chicken. Oh my gosh.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
There's the pack. Dave's Hot Chicken. Yeah, look at this. We got this
Tender box.
the big old box of chicken.
Look at this. Look at this thing.
Oh man.
Pickles, Dave sauce, medium heat. You can do the bread if you want. I go breadless on half of them because it's just a lot of bread when you're eating 4 tenders, but these things are amazing.
Yeah, this is Eric's favorite spot in town, he said. He said we had to try it. You got some kale slaw. You like that? Mercy's over here speechless. And it comes with just like regular Wonder Bread under here. You just wrap them up like tacos. That chicken is crunchy and juicy. This is the
Thick
spicy.
breading. Look at the breading on that bad boy.
Yeah, it's really
It's good stuff.
And this sauce is good, whatever that is. It's all lightly spicy. Now you said you have to sign a waiver for the hot one, the super hot. They have a Reaper version. So there's levels of heat, and it's like super nothing to mild, light mild, all the way up to Reaper. And you said it wasn't that bad.
It's
huh?
not that bad. I did it. I have a video of myself doing it on my YouTube channel, and it's not that bad. It was very tolerable.
So Reaper's not bad. I didn't want to do that today. I just wanted to enjoy the chicken more. It's not that spicy on a medium. It's good. Perfect. Anyway, there's a mild version.
Oh yeah, you know, guys,
got.
I'm a fat Mexican. No
That's
spicy
a
for me.
mild, but you can see it's got like a powdery.
But it's good.
Yeah.
The flavor
It's
is
the carnival of flavor.
Yeah, it's just got flavors. They even put some of that on the fry, if you notice, some of the spice. Good fries. Never heard of this place.
These guys started doing it in a parking lot space outside of a bar at night, so that people were leaving the bar hungry. They'd rent out a parking lot space in the parking lot across the street and set up shop.
It was like
They'd come out drunk and just eat chicken.
So it was like a little food truck at first,
Yep,
basically.
just 3 dudes, Dave and his friends, out in a parking lot making it. And
Now they're all over town?
then they're working their way national because Drake, the artist, the rap artist, found out about them and put a lot of money behind it, so they're working on spreading their way around the country. But right
Okay.
now, it's pretty much LA and a few surrounding states.
Okay, well, we'll have to get with the other Drake and see if he wants to bring this to Angeles City. We'll say, Drake, meet Drake. We're gonna bring a branch of this Dave's Hot Chicken.
very good.
I don't know, it is good. I'd like to know how they cook this up so good and the method, so I can steal it. I want to steal the recipe. But it is good. I like their sauces too. Always sauce for me is key. You gotta have sauce. Sometimes you go eat somewhere and they don't have sauces. Like, man, you gotta have sauce.
Wait, we went in a restaurant and there's no sauce.
Yeah, where was that? We went someplace recently. It's like, where's the sauce? No sauce. It's dry. Just taking it dry. You don't want to do that. Sauce. You need the sauce.
Give me raw dog and tenders. No
No
sauce.
raw doggo tenders. Anyway, these fries are good, and they're good dipped in this sauce too. Whatever this
Sauce
sauce
is good for
is,
everything.
it's an
I pretty much
all-purpose.
recreated this sauce on my own because I have to have it with all of my chicken.
Yeah.
It's disappointingly simple. It's mainly a combination of mayo and ketchup, a little bit of garlic and lemon juice, and then you gotta have some dry Nashville seasoning to dump in. That's the key.
That's the key part.
And you can order that on Amazon or other websites where you can get your seasonings.
Dry powder, like a rub.
But yeah, mainly ketchup and mayo.
And these pickles are good too. I like these pickles. We need more of these actually.
Out here in West Hollywood.
West Hollywood, Fairfax. That's this one. How many chickens, Dave's Hot Chicken, do you think around here? About 10 of them?
Oh no, there's probably about 20 in the LA area.
All right.
Spread out through all the little subsections.
That's some good stuff, man. And it comes out in a pan like that. Now you can get a 2-piece if you want. Look at the size of that one.
It's a big boy.
That's a monster.
I go for the slightly
Yeah.
smaller one.
Save that one for later. I'm gonna dig in on my next one. I just had one. I said I had to break this out. I didn't expect it to be video worthy, but it is. This place is great. Peer into this one. Let you guys see this.
It's very tender and juicy.
It is very good. Star of this show, though, the chicken's good, but the star is the breading. And this sauce, all together. Oh, I don't want to lose it in there. The sauce and the breading and the spice, that's what does it. That's what does it.
That's a mild, right?
That's one of your mild, and it's still good.
Yeah, it's good. Here's mine. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
It's so good.
Very good. Good choice, Junior.
Then I got a pickle.
Those pickles are delicious.
These are like a deli.
They're huge, though.
Garlicky, dill pickle, like a deli style. I highly recommend this place.
Yep. Corner of Fairfax Avenue and Rosewood. Very nice area here in West Hollywood.
Yeah, this is one of the nicer locations to sit outside and eat at.
Yeah, I like it. I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, the weather today is really.
Oh,
I'm not having to wear my sweater, my hoodie.
I am.
Perfect day. Oh, I thought I was Nashville hot in my shorts. We're listening to the
I don't know.
Jackass music. All right, here we go, guys. We got the box tenders, $45. Fries, $3.99. Slaw, $3.99. Drinks, $8.07. 3 drinks. So 3 of us ate for $66.85 right there. What do you think?
I just love it.
You just love it. You don't have a different phrase you can say? Because I ask you what you think all the time, and you say, I just love it every time.
Well, I love it.
Okay, just get rid of the just this time.
The flavor is different. Honestly, when my son says, "Oh, we're gonna eat Dave's chicken," I said, "What kind of chicken?" It's fried chicken. I was thinking, it's another fried chicken store or restaurant.
You thought it was going to be bone-in fried chicken, like KFC fried chicken.
Yes, exactly. But no, honestly, I was surprised. Very good.
It is good.
Very good.
And what do you got going on over here? Checking out your schedule?
Work things. Trying to get clients all adjusted.
Yeah. So Eric's a personal trainer here. He's building up his clientele. He works at Equinox. I don't know if any of you guys know what Equinox is or the place, but it's a higher end gym. A lot of celebrities go there to work out.
I only know one in Miami.
There is one in big cities. Miami's got one. There's 2 or 3 here, right?
Yeah.
I mean, they're all over.
All over here. So yeah, Equinox is his place, and he's building up his clients all the time. Always coming and going, of course, but got to keep them coming more than going.
Yeah, that's the game.
But he's always on the calendar, getting set up, working people out. He's threatening to work on me, he's gonna make me lose this gut. We'll get there. When Eric comes to visit us in the Philippines, we can join the gym and he can punish me there.
Yeah.
All right, we're walking back from the chicken spot on Fairfax, and we got some kind of delivery robot coming by. Check him out. Garfield 7.
Only because usually they have
What is this?
names, but this one's sponsoring the movie.
Oh, Garfield 11. Garfield 11. I didn't get my Roman numerals right. So this thing's delivering food, huh?
Yeah, look, take him out. Now that he knows.
Oh, here he goes.
You see some people, he goes to go around.
Check him out. You got a clear shot. He moves pretty quick too.
That's so cool.
It's got a GPS mapping system in it, I guess. There it goes.
It won't last any minute in Philippines.
Philippines, somebody have that. Somebody will have that in 100 pieces somewhere, taking it apart.
Come on, buddy.
That's pretty cool. He's going to wait for. He could go now.
Yeah, he could.
The light's right. Oh, there he goes. He's going.
See ya.
Check that out.
That's so cool.
Food delivery robot. Hey, I've seen it all now. They probably have weed delivery robots too.
Probably.
Yeah, that's a cool color.
Yeah.
Hyundai truck.
It matches with the Drake Hotel and Papi's.
It does. It's a Hyundai truck. Kind of a SUV pickup.
I like it.
Pretty cool. Anyway, we're here. We're on Santa Monica Boulevard. Walking off our chicken.
Taking advantage of the sidewalk.
Taking advantage of having sidewalks, Mercy says. Yeah. There's a all nude spot. The Paris House. For all you Walking Street guys out there. There's like, where's the strip clubs? Come on, guys. The all nude Paris House. Wonder if they're open for lunch. Jogger coming through. Yeah, you got to go in with some serious coin to these places here. They're not just going to let you in on a drink. You're not coming in having one rum and coke in the Paris House. Ibiza Nails. Get your nails done.
It's Ibiza.
Ibiza. All right, so we were in Pasadena yesterday with Mercy's friend from way back, childhood friend that lives here now, visiting, and we passed a eyelash place, and Mercy took the number down and called because she's always getting her eyelashes and nails done over there, of course, very cheaply. And how much was the minimum charge for eyelash extensions?
Regular, like nothing fancy.
Nothing fancy?
Regular, like natural, $40.
40?
No, 60.
I thought they said 200.
No, 60, and then depending on what you want and the quality,
It went up to 200.
Up to 200.
Oh shit, I thought they started at
No, thank you.
200.
No, 60.
60.
But no, thank you.
Yeah.
I wait for Philippines.
Wait to go home and we'll get them for like 10 bucks.
Yep.
That's a norm. Anyways, we got a couple more days here. Today, tomorrow, and then we're flying to Kentucky for a little bit. Then off to Mexico, after Florida, of course. We'll drive down to Florida, then off to
We
Mexico.
gotta
For a
melt
little
in
bit.
Mexico.
Mexico, we're having a report that it's like 100 plus degrees every day. It's record hot right now down there. So we're gonna come back here toasty. Gotta have that Hollywood tan. Oh, another delivery robot.
Oh, nice.
His name's Forrest.
This one's what?
Forrest.
Oh, there's Forrest. I know you. Check him out. Okay, guys, we are on the way to Louisville.
Yes. Here we come.
In the Spirit Airlines, full plane. Full. All the way back. And we got some smart moms here. They got the kids here with little tablets and toys.
A lot of credit.
It's very nice. Good credit to the moms with the little ones. Got them busy.
Yeah.
We'll
Having
see.
some snacks.
We'll see when. I got some snacks. We got some coloring books. Man.
That's good. I like that.
All right. See you in Louisville.
See ya.
Hey, we have arrived in Louisville. Check out the rainbow we got welcomed with. Wow. Got welcomed with a little double rainbow action. Yeah, almost. Just called our Uber to pick us up. Going over to David and Debbie's for the night, my friend. And yeah, little 4-hour run from, actually it's like 3.5.
Yeah, what
It was a
happened
short
is
ride.
We have a little delay because there are storms.
Yeah, it was scheduled for 4 hours, but it was actually a little early, but we had to fly around in a circle because we had a thunderstorm over the airport here. So there we go. Waiting for the Uber now. They don't have a place out of the rain to be
Yeah.
waiting for Ubers over here, so we're tucked up underneath here. Got to go to the Rainbows to get on the Uber when it gets here. So yeah, good flight. Had some kids. I have to hand it to
But they were nice.
most of the parents. Did a great job with their little kids. Brought lots of activities for them.
Yeah, very smart people.
Yeah, did very good with the kids this trip. A couple little weepers, but they were under control. I have to hand it to the parents on that.
Yep, no problem.
They did good. Spirit, that was the best Spirit flight I've ever had.
It's a brand new airplane.
Yeah, we flew on Spirit before, usually shorter flights like Fort
Scary.
Lauderdale to Cancun and stuff like that.
Scary.
Scary. That's scary.
Well, you
Sometimes
know,
the planes sound a little
engine is
rattly.
like,
This was a brand new plane, it seemed.
Yeah.
And very nice, comfortable,
nice.
good everything. Everything was
Flight
good.
attendant, very nice.
Flight attendants did their job, making everybody sit down and stuff, and be calm. No big breakout fights like you've seen on other YouTube videos and Spirit issues with people. But anyway, my phone's buzzing. I think our ride is close.
Oh, nice.
2 minutes, it says.
All
We're here in
right.
2 minutes. So yeah, it was a great flight, short flight. Got us here quicker than normal. Would have been about 3.5 hours if it wasn't for the little rain delay, thunderstorm delay. So here we go. Rainbow's still
Beautiful.
doing really good. Nice to arrive with a nice rainbow. It is just doming over the airport here, or over the city. All right, guys, we're here with the family in Louisville, and I have a surprise birthday cake from my sister. Early birthday present.
Yep.
My sister Darla brought me a cake, surprised me. Check it out. Happy birthday, Eric. Even though it's not my birthday yet, she said she wasn't going to miss it this time. Beautiful cake, looks delicious. Well, thank you very much, sis.
Love you more than you know.
And here's my other sis,
Hello.
Sue. She didn't buy me a cake, but she always takes care of me, though. She does
great
everything
chef,
else.
too.
Yeah, she inspires me at Poppy's to cook all your good food for you.
There you go.
That's it.
That's it.
And there's
I'm
my
the
brother
best
Kenny.
cook, though.
He's going to eat the cake.
And I'm the keeper of the fly.
Keeper of the fly trap. And all the family here to come visit. Say hello, everybody. We've been playing pill pool over here at the outdoor pad. We've been playing out here, darts. What is this little hook game over here? I've been getting pretty good at it because we got a similar situation on our tables in the restaurant. The wall hook game. Let's see if I can do it on the first try. We have these miniature versions on the restaurant tables, but this is the big giant version here, the wall version. Let's see if I get lucky. The first, oh no, probably get it in my third try. Oh, getting close. I'm going to edit this so I hit it on the first try. Getting close. Anyway, we've been spending time here, farting around outside my brother's pad. He created a little outdoor pad here. It's pretty cool. Got him a pool table, all kinds of activities for kids and adults alike. And we're even air conditioning the outdoors. He's had this air conditioner on all day, pumping cold air in here. It's been warm today, Louisville. Yeah, we've got a little bit of rain today too. You see some water out there in the backyard. Just having a good time, visiting with family, getting ready to head down to Florida here in a few days. Got a rental car today. And then my friend David and Debbie, who I'm staying with, he didn't come today. They went to do some gambling, and I guess they hit it big. So they had a few drinks. They hung it up. We got rich at the casino. Oh, is it birthday time already? All right, hold on. Let me turn it around. I'm getting sang to. I better come over. Wow, look at all those candles.
Happy birthday,
Oh.
happy birthday to you.
Love
you.
And many more. All right, let me make a wish and blow these candles out. Yeah! All at once. I didn't have to. You didn't get the trick candles for me.
No,
They didn't fire back up.
I hate those trick candles.
There's a lot of candles on there.